We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Soramir car jump starter with air compressor. Consists of the following features: 5000 amp peak current and forced start. This car battery jump starter delivers a 5000 amp peak current to start 12 volt vehicles, up to 7.0 L gas/6.0 L diesel, in seconds. The specialized forced start function provides necessary power for extremely low voltage batteries, ensuring reliable ignition during roadside emergencies even in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Fast tire inflation with auto shutoff. Featuring a built-in 160 psi air compressor and 35 liter per minute airflow, this portable tire inflator can fill a tire from 32 to 36 psi in about 1 minute. Includes 5 preset modes: car, motorcycle, bike, ball, custom, and an auto shut-off feature that stops inflation when the target pressure is reached to prevent overinflation. 10 intelligent protections for beginners. Equipped with 10 safety protections including reverse polarity, overcurrent, and short circuit protection. The smart jumper cables feature a status indicator and spark-free connection, making it safe and easy for new drivers to operate without the risk of incorrect connections. Honeycomb cooling and portable design. Features an upgraded honeycomb vent system that helps reduce battery temperature by up to 30% during extended use, supporting stable performance. The impact-resistant ABS housing, ergonomic integrated carry handle, and included EVA storage case make this jump box easy to carry, store, and use on the road, outdoors, or during long-distance travel. Versatile emergency tool and power bank. This 10,000 mAh battery pack serves as a portable power bank to charge mobile devices via USB. The integrated LED flashlight offers 3 modes: flashlight, strobe, SOS, with up to 68 hours of runtime, providing essential illumination for night tire changes or signaling for help. This all-in-one car jump starter is a compact and portable emergency tool for drivers. Perfect as a gift for family, friends, or loved ones, it combines vehicle jump starting, quick tire inflation, bright LED lighting, and mobile device charging in one reliable unit. Help you stay safe, prepared, and confident on the road. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.